Prevention and Control of Water Ingress SOLAS Regulation 22. 1. All watertight doors and shall be kept closed during navigation except that they may be opened during navigation as specified in paragraph 3. Watertight doors with or of more than 1.2 meter in imaginary spaces as permitted by Regulation 13.10 may only be opened in the circumstance detailed in that regulation. Any doors which is opened in accordance with this paragraph small be ready to be immediately closed. The watertight doors located below the bulkhead deck of passenger ship and the freeboard deck of cargo ships having a maximum clear opening width of more than 1.2 meters shall be kept closed during navigation, except for limited periods when absolutely necessary as determined by the administration. SOLAS Regulation 22 focuses on the prevention and control of water ingress in ship. It mandates that vessels must be designed and contracted to minimize that the risk of water entering the hull. This includes measures like watertight compartments, effective drainage system, and robust sealing of opening. The goal is to enhance the ship's safety and stability, ensuring it remains afloat even in adverse conditions.
24. 1. Openings in the shell plating below the deck limiting the vertical extent of damage shall be kept permanently closed during navigation. 2. Notwithstanding the requirements of paragraph 3. The administration may authorize that particular doors may be opened at the discretion of the master, if necessary for the operation of the ship, and provided that the safety of the ship is not impaired. SOLAS Regulation 24 establishes additional requirements for the prevention and control of the water ingress, especially in cargo ships. It mandates that these vessels must have specific design features, such as enhanced watertight integrity, effective drainage systems, and adequate bilge pumping capabilities. The aim is to ensure that cargo ships can effectively manage water ingress risk, thereby protecting the vessel, its cargo, and crew from potential flooding and associated dangers.
25. Water level detectors on single-hold cargo ships other than bulk carriers. Single-hold cargo ships other than bulk carriers constructed before January 1st, 2007 shall comply with the requirements of this regulation not later than 31st December 2009. Ships having a length or less than 80 meters or 100 meters if constructed before 1 July 1998 and single cargo hold below the freeboard deck or cargo holds below the freeboard deck which are not separated by at least one bulkhead made watertight up to that deck shall be fitted in such space or spaces with water level detectors. SOLAS Regulation 25. Regulation 25 requires single-hold cargo ships excluding bulk carriers to be equipped with water level detectors. These detectors are crucial for monitoring water levels in cargo holds to prevent flooding and ensure safety. They help in early detection of water ingress, allowing for timely action to mitigate risks associated with cargo stability and vessel integrity. Ayun na.
Ano yun?
Sim.